genetic mutations. But first, I had a simple question for all of you. Have you ever heard about the human genome? You may think that you have full control over your body, over the color of your hair and how you do your own makeup. But could you imagine having control over the color of your eyes and over the omission of disease? This is the job of our human genome. If we could journey inside our cells, we could see 23 pairs of chromosomes, and in each chromosome there is a long foil of DNA. And this DNA is built by 4 building blocks, and they always pair adenine with thymine and cytosine with guanine. Otherwise, let's have a look.
As DNA polymerase copies the DNA sequences, some mistakes occur. For example, one DNA base in a gene might get substituted for another. This is called a mutation, or variation in the gene. Because the genetic code has built-in redundancies, these mistakes might not have much effect on the protein made by the gene. In some cases, the error might be in the third base of a codon and still specify the same amino acid in the protein. In other cases, it may be elsewhere in the codon and specify a different amino acid. If the changed amino acid is in a crucial part of the protein, may be defective and not work as well or at all. This type of change can lead to disease.
Hello, I'm Urani Leka. Let's put the discussion into another point of view. When we are talking about mutation, we always think that it's something undesirable or broken, but it's not always like that. Changes in DNA cause some large areas that are called genomes, and here we can find some genes. We can say that changes in DNA cause some same genes, but in different versions called alleles. But it's not that changes in DNA cause death or disease. It can cause some consequences. Also, in some countries, mutation is took or is taken as a personal individual advantage.
All cancers are caused by changes to materials in our bodies called genes. Some genes tell our bodies how to fix damage accumulated over time from normal aging. Environmental toxins, sun exposure, dietary factors, hormones, and other influences, these damage-controlling genes can repair cells or tell cells when to stop growing and die if there is too much damage to repair. When mutations occur in the damage-controlling genes, cells can grow out of control and cause cancer. For most people who develop cancer, the cancer-causing gene mutations happen over a course of lifetime, leading to cancer later in life. Some people are born with a gene mutation that they inherited from their mother or father. This damaged gene puts them at higher risk for cancer than most of other people. When cancer occurs because of an inherited gene mutation, it is referred to as hereditary cancer.